i35equipment.com. This is the Komatsu D65EX Bulldozer. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to come to you if you like. However, it is shown by appointment only. So please give us a call to get on calendar. Our phone number is 405-833-6437. As always, hauling in delivery are available to your farm or job site. Just fill out the form on our website. We'd be happy to make some calls on your behalf and get you a hauling quote. This machine does have the full cab, cold working air conditioning, has the Komatsu rear hydraulic ripper system there with a ripper tooth, as you can see. See right there, it's got good power. That is the 4-way blade. Does have the reversal arm on it. See the rear ripper going down there, and it has good power as well. Give him a minute to climb out, and then we'll hop up in the cab and take a look at the interior. Get a look at this front blade. Zoom on out to the fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior. It does have the factory Komatsu seat. Feel that cool working air conditioning. Actually, it's a cool cold working air conditioning. Your hydraulic control handle, or for the hydraulic rippers. Currently showing 497, almost 7 hours. 4977 hours. Controls for windshield wipers. Let's check out this radio and see if it's working. It's lit up, but I'm not hearing any sound. I may have it messed up, or may just be missing something there, but it is lighting up. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. If you know anybody who might have some idle heavy equipment, we share our website with them, as we specialize in consignment sales. We can help them liquidate their equipment. If you know someone looking for heavy equipment, we share our website with them, because our inventory is constantly changing. New things coming in, and we sell a lot of equipment here. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.